my sweet friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing one of my most favorite videos about me moving so much. We're in my new apartment. We know I have a new apartment. I moved back to LA and I'm finally going to start showing the apartment. So today in this video we are doing part one of our apartment tour. R as in mine. I keep getting asked if I have a roommate. I don't. I live alone with the pups. So today is part one of the apartment tour. I'm going to show you the living space. I am breaking up the apartment into kind of rooms, that way it can be a little more in depth. And I have been asked so much to do more home decor and more styling videos, so those are coming, and I thought that this would be the best way to start doing that. And I'm so excited you guys to know that this is the first sneak peek at my apartment, and I want all your tips. I talk about kind of little things and what I think needs to change, and I would love to hear your loving kind opinion. So yes, I love you guys so much. Let's get started on this magical little space that I've created. I'm so excited. I love it so much and I'm so happy here. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So this is the front door, and when you walk in, this is what you see. Super cute. Again, very realistic apartment tour. My laundry is right there. I'm just not even gonna hide it. Like, laundry will probably be there 80% of the time, so I'm not gonna pretend that this isn't where my laundry goes. So I have this really great little plant that I'm trying to bring back to life in this great pot that I found at Home Goods. I have my little statue right here. I have this really wonderful little wooden lantern thing with some candles inside that I don't light. I have my table with two of my favorite crystals. This is a rose quartz and black tourmaline. Black tourmaline is all about protection and grounding and no bad vibes, and rose quartz is all about love and good energy in that way. I have my sage diffuser, super important. I love using my essential oils in that. We have my sweet little bench. My plan, like I said, this apartment is not even close to done, but my plan is to have like a slim dining table here and pushed up against here with some curtains, and then to have two benches pushed under the table. That way when people come over, we pull the table out, scooch this down, and boom. So laundry is over there, as I said. My sage diffuser for my essential oils. This really cute peacock chair I found at a vintage shop, and one of my crystals from Light, Love, and Lace. Love that, and I just love the wood and the green and how the frame fits. I got the rose gold one. I thought it was really beautiful. I have this gold mirror little sconce sort of thing. It's uncentered, obviously, because I'm the one who hung it. I got it at Target. Really love that. And then by the door, I have this hanging. I did not want it centered, just FYI. Super cute, found it at TJ Maxx. Got a little ladder to hang blankets on. I have this vintage magazine holder. I need to take the tag off. And I just have some of my books right now. I think eventually I'm going to put my records in it, but I have not unpacked my records and record player yet. And then we have this sweet little cactus, and this wicker basket is from Target. I get asked a lot about plants with my dogs, and my dogs personally have zero interest in plants. They have never even really gone near it. I know some dogs, people tell me, like, have chewed on their plants and they get sick, but my dogs luckily have zero interest in my plant lady life. They are not about that. This is my couch and just the living room. I get so many questions on this rug. First off, how I keep it clean. As you can tell, it's not clean at all, but super easy. You just take it to like a rug cleaner and they bleach it and it's pretty much donezo. I have these two chairs from Joss & Main. These have been in multiple apartments now. I really love them. I picked up these two large pillows from Target, and they're super nice. I mainly got them to put it like this because the chairs aren't the most comfortable thing in the world, and they're actually getting replaced very soon. I have my eye on these chairs from, I think, I can't remember what it's called, but you'll see them when the apartment's all finished. And I actually really like having these up here as well, because when a lot of people come over, we do this where we put pillows all around, and it's kind of all of us just chilling and hanging out. So I love the texture of these. I have this little mini I don't know, stand you would call it, with some larger crystals on it, a beautiful plant, my incense holder. Really, really love that. So I like the 2 chairs and the couch because I felt like having a sectional would be way too big for this space. And of course I'm still figuring it out, but I really love how it's coming along so far. Also, I love animals, but that bird needs to shut the heck up. My coffee table has been with me at every single apartment. See, look how not clean this rug is. It's been with me at every single apartment. And this coffee table is from World Market. Very dirty underneath because that's just real life. This stuff is all going to get put away probably in that cabinet. So the table is from World Market. This little overhang thing is from Whimsy and Row. I just have a really beautiful pyrite piece, which is all about power and manifestation, and it's very grounding, and some selenite to clear the energy and raise the vibration. This is a Boy, I think the brand is called Boy Smells candle, and it's cedar stack. It just smells very woodsy. This has also been in every apartment, so crazy. I just have a bunch of tchotchke things up here. I have a little snake plant, I got my sage, lots of quartz. My coasters are from Anthropology, and these little wood things just add some height, and they are from Home Goods. And I just have a little amethyst randomly. This doesn't go here, but you know, I'm trying to keep this like little living room tour as organic as possible. This is my couch. I actually got my couch at Home Goods. I don't know if I'm totally attached to it. It was super cheap. I think it was like $400, and for a couch that is amazing. It's super comfortable. These 2 pillows I both really love. They add different textures and kind of a little boho vibe. This blanket is the dog's blanket. They just really like it. So I like the tassels as well, and the colors blend. They add a little gray. This is my Alexandra Z piece, who is one of my best friends and favorite people, and that is going to go above my couch. I just need to have someone come and hang it because I'm a little lady and it's really effing heavy. This is my baby tree. She's growing a lot. Look, all that's new. And this is a beautiful stand that was incredibly overpriced. I have the dog's basket over here. If you have a dog or a child, I highly recommend getting a cute basket to put all their stuff in because makes it more aesthetically pleasing. And we have my, I don't even know what you'd call this, little cabinet desk. No, it's not a desk at all. This is from TJ Maxx. We have a big green pufflight crystal. We have a beautiful big plant in this amazing planter. We have a piece of selenite. We have a large piece of selenite to keep the energy high. Apophyllite, amethyst, really beautiful. 2 of my favorite crystals I own, especially that one in the back. We have another plant. We have this big gold mirror that I really love. That way when you walk in, the space feels really open. I really like it. Another candle, and I don't keep much in here yet because like I said, everything that is under the table is gonna go in there. I have this little stool, and all these little things, like little tchotchke things, are really just for texture and different vibes throughout the apartment, but also it's really nice because when people come over, they sit on it and they like it. I, as we could tell, really like using baskets to keep my plants in, and if you guys are new to plants, I get so many questions on my plants, and I highly suggest getting some snake plants. They're the easiest to take care of, and I have not killed one yet. So that is what that looks like, and then you just walk through here. So I do like having this little space open, and everything stays really open, so I'm super excited to get that piece up here. I got a lot of comments on one of my videos that I should get one of those island things, but to be totally honest, I don't think that would look good, and I think it would make the space feel really, really cramped. So I'm hoping that when I get that table, it'll feel really good and feel really nice. Everyone was saying that I don't have a ton of counter space, which is very true, but I am also one person, and personally when I cook, I don't take up a lot of room. So yeah, that's how that's going. This is all my laundry that needs to be done, and it's literally out here, so I will do it. Haven't totally decided what I'm going to put under here. This is my record player that I need to unpack, and some other stuff I need to unpack. I ended up buying that microwave. TBH, I haven't used it. I use my air fryer way more. We have my basil that needs to stay out in that cute little jar. I keep a plant up there just because I had nowhere else to put it. Like I said, I did just move in, so nothing has really a permanent place quite yet, but this is the microwave I bought. I used that wooden bowl to put things in. That mirror was just up here. Who knows where she's gonna go? And this is where my laundry is. I don't know if I necessarily love it, but I also don't hate it. We have a nice little decor piece, whatever. Another snake plant in another beautiful basket, and that's the dog's food and water. Obviously they're not here, so I don't have to worry about it being covered up. Another plant And like I said, I do want to get the linen drapes to kind of, or curtains, drapes, is there a difference? I don't know. I really like the blue color of my cabinets. I've never had that before. I love the flat top. So right now I do like kind of taking up all of the counter space. I like how it feels. I kind of cleaned everything off when I first moved in and unpacked, and I didn't really like the vibe of how it looked, of everything being so empty. And that's just me personally. So here's my Spark I'm currently drinking. But I just have these cute little copper glass containers. This is just salad topper from Trader Joe's. It's just nuts and seeds. And then I keep different pastas in here. And this is a decorative little board that I use when I have my friends over. I have all my knives up here, little nonstick spray. These normally go in the cabinet, but you know, real life. Also, food I have to go donate, and then dishes, because it's real life. This is the water filter that I use most of the time, and especially for the dogs. This is the Soma water filter. I don't know if you guys care to see in my cabinets, right? Who cares, right? And then we have the dishwasher. I think I definitely want to get a little runner for here, and I have all my decorative stuff up there, and then another fruit bowl. So little things are still getting figured out, like definitely this stuff I don't really like over here, but I kind of want to keep it all out, so I'm figuring that out. You know what I mean? And I feel like getting an island, that definitely wouldn't help the microwave or air fryer situation, and I feel like it would really like cause just energy to build up here, and things wouldn't flow as well as I feel like they do. Like, you literally just walk in and it feels nice, and you can just go in and out, and that's what I prefer. I really wish this was on. So yeah, I really like how everything's turning out. It feels really homey. It feels really good in here. It feels really open. I love all my neighbors. And for the laundry, I actually ordered those like plastic like hampers like that, except they're the shorter ones, so I can take all the laundry and then just take it in my room and fold it. And then the other little living part is just the hallway. This mirror, my big old mirror, and then the bathroom. So like I said, I'm gonna do all of the apartment tour in separate sections so I can be more in depth for you guys and just kind of not feel rushed. And so yeah, this is the living part. I feel like I told you where everything was from, which is probably the like most asked questions, and I have a really exciting video coming soon about how I kind of paired everything, and I take you guys to Home Goods with me, so I'm super excited for you guys to see that. Make sure to check out the link down below. You will have a discount code for Aura Frames. Thank you again, Aura Frames, for working with me on this video. You made Grandma Lace a very happy woman. You guys, just look at those dogs. Just look at them. They love their grandparents too. Okay, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this sweet little apartment tour, mini apartment tour, part 1 of 3 coming soon. I love the overhead. So let me know what you guys think about the kitchen situation. I definitely don't know if the island is right for me. And if you know of any slimmer dining tables that could go up against there, like, are you seeing what I'm imagining? Like a wood table that only comes out to like right here, you know what I mean? Like not that far. Then you push it up, and then you have the bench, then you have the drapes, so it's very like closed and dreamy. You know, are we seeing it? Okay, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little sneak peek into my home. She's still not done. I'm sure many things are going to change and evolve in here, and I already know there's so much more magic to take place. Okay, I love you guys so much. Goodbye. Okay guys, so that is part 1. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Probably. That is part 1 of the apartment tour. Make sure to check everything out down below. I love you guys so much, and let me know what you guys think of my new home. I love you. I hope you like it.